Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy stuffed chicken recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. Alright, so we're starting off with some spinach. So we're preparing our stuffing first, and I'm using baby spinach, and I'm just going to chop it up real quick just to make it into finer pieces. I prefer to use a pair of scissors, but if you want to chop it up with a knife, you can do so. And then we're going to add the flavors on our stuffing. So the first thing I'm going to add is some pepperdews. Then I'm going to be adding some feta cheese. The feta cheese that I'm using has herbs in it. I just find that it has more flavor that way. And then next we're going to add some cream cheese, and the cream cheese that I have has spring onion and chives. So what you're going to do is you're just going to mix it up until everything is evenly combined. So my cream cheese was still a bit chilled. If you want to make it easier for you to mix, you can just put your cream cheese out first so that it's nice and soft to work with. Then lastly, I'm just going to be adding some cheddar cheese, and the cheddar cheese will work as a binder when we are baking our stuffed chicken breast. Okay, so I've just grated that cheddar cheese and then mixed it in roughly. We don't have to do much there. So then next we're going to go ahead and start with our chicken. So I've got about 5 chicken breasts. These are medium chicken breasts, and then we're going to cut it on the open side. So you can see that there's a thinner side and a thicker side. That is where we're going to cut it, and we're not going to cut it all the way through. We're just going to create a pocket. Again, I prefer to use a pair of scissors, but if you want to use your knife, you can just create a pocket. You can do it as slow as you possibly can to just create the pocket where we're going to be stuffing in our cream cheese stuffing. So you can see how I'm doing it. I'm just creating a nice pocket, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process on all of my chicken breasts. So your pocket doesn't have to be too deep, but you just need to be careful not to get to the end of your chicken breast. So the first seasoning I'm going to add is a little bit of salt. For this recipe, we don't need much seasoning because the magic is going to be in the stuffing. So I'm just going to start with the salt, and I'm just going to rub it in on all sides. Next, I'm going to be adding some ground black pepper. So I'm just going to add that on top, and then I'm also going to be rubbing it in just to make sure that it evenly distributes on my chicken breast. And then lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken seasoning, and I'm also just going to add it on the top just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Then next, I'm going to be using a baking tin which I've sprayed down with some cooking spray just to make it easier to bake, and then we can go ahead and start stuffing our chicken breast. I would advise you to use your fingers. You'll just get more stuffing in there, and then you can just pack up on the stuffing, push it as far down as you can like I am, and don't be shy. The more stuffing you do put in there, the better. And then you're just going to press it in onto the pocket that we have created. So you're going to be repeating this step until you can see that the stuffing no longer has room inside the pocket, and then you're just going to place it on your baking tray. You'll repeat this process until you're done with all 5 of your chicken breast. So here's a quick tip: if you don't want all your stuffing to be oozing out of your chicken breast, you should put it facing up or tilted upwards, just so that the chicken can be cooking at the bottom, and then your stuffing is also just melting through. So we're going to go ahead and bake this at 190 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes until your chicken breasts are completely cooked. And that is it for this quick and easy recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment, like, and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.